these are the items you're going to need for the river monitoring installation. I'm going to cover everything, but I'll be doing a setup just for one of the guy lines. So you'll need 1 aluminum pole, 3 turnbuckles, 3 S-hooks, 3 duckbill anchors, 3 aircraft cables, 12 wire rope clips, 1 drive bar, 1 guy wire mast clamp or collar for the top of the pole. And for tools, you'll need 1 5/16 wrench, 1 7/16 wrench, or an adjustable wrench, whatever is best for you, and a mallet. To begin this project, you're going to need a 7/16 wrench and the guy wire mast clamp, also known as the collar, to fit at the top of the aluminum pole. You're going to need to untighten all 3 sections with the wrench. You're going to want to keep adjusting the screws on the collar until you're able to get it on the pole. And once you're able to get it on the pole, you're going to want to tighten the screws again using the 7/16 wrench, so that way it doesn't come down or fall apart for the duration of your project. For the next part of the project, you're going to need a 5/16 wrench for the 4 wire rope clips for the aircraft cable. You're going to need 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom for every cable. So you're going to need to either finger tighten or use the 5/16 wrench to loosen the bottom screws for each one. And make sure you don't loosen them too much that they fall off and you lose the bottom screws. And then once you do that, you'll put 2 to put at the bottom of the cable and 2 for the top of the cable. And after you do that, you'll fold it up and put it through the loop and the collar, and you'll put in one of the screws and tighten it up, and then you put in the second screw or the second clip and tighten it up, finger tighten it, and then you'll use the 5/16 wrench to tighten it the rest of the way. So here's the top of the pole where we've already installed the first 2 wire rope clips. So I'm just moving down to now where you can see the bottom 2 wire rope clips, and we're going to fasten these the same way by putting a loop through the turnbuckle this time, which will be further down the pole towards the bottom, and doing the exact same thing. Once you get everything screwed in, just do a pull test to make sure nothing will slide or fall apart. Now that we've installed the turnbuckle at the bottom of the aircraft cable, now we're going to put the S-hook at the bottom of the turnbuckle, and then after that, we're going to put on the duckbill anchor at the bottom of the S-hook. The last 2 items you're going to need for this project are the drive bar to pound in the duckbill anchors, and you're going to need a mallet. Once your aircraft cable is taut, you can pound the duckbill anchor into the ground.